Hi, today in front of INFINIX Note 12 2023 and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So to do that, we should hold for a while the application and drag this up to another one. And by this way, we just successfully added the new home screen folder. If you want to add here more applications, just open the folder and click to this plus icon and select the another applications which you want to add to your folder. Then just tap to OK and that's it. To give a name to this folder or to rename it, just enter the apps, tap to OK, and now we just successfully renamed it. To move it here on the home screen or between the screens, you should just hold it and drag the folder. Just to disband all of the applications, hold it and tap to disband. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.